Hello children, how are you all today? Are you ready to start today's class? So let's get started as we have different things to do today. So we start our day with the prayer. So join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Now it's time for the English prayer. So repeat after me. I am special, I am special. God made me, God made me. Someone very special, someone very special, as you can see, as you can see. So children, after our Guru Brahma and English prayer, what do we say? Yes, our day rhyme. So which day is it today? Come on, tell me. You know which day is it today? What was yesterday? Yes, yesterday was Wednesday and today is Thursday. So let's sing. Today is Thursday, today is Thursday, all day long, all day long. Yesterday was Wednesday, tomorrow will be Friday. Oh, what fun, oh, what fun. And y'all are really having fun? Yes or no? It is a new way of learning and we too are enjoying this new way of learning. Staying at home and learning through the virtual classes. Isn't it fun? Now it's time for the weather song. So, how is the weather today? Weather today, weather today. How is the weather today? Is it cloudy or bright? Are you feeling hot or cold? Hot or cold? Hot or cold? Are you feeling hot or cold? Won't you tell me today? So I am feeling very hot. What about you? Do tell your mama and papa about it. Okay? So let's start our day today. Which theme topic is going in the class? Come on, think, think, think. It is slippery sand. What happens to the sand when you take in your hand? It just slips. Therefore, it's very easy for us to remember slippery sand. But today, we are not going to talk about the theme topic. But we are going to revise all our alphabet friends which have come to class. But before we start with our revision, let's sing the alphabet song. Do you know the alphabet song? Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. Won't you come and play with me? Happy, happy we shall be as we know our ABC. Now we are learning all the alphabets, how to write them. We are learning their song, their sound and their friends. So today we thought we'll take a break and a new letter wouldn't come to class, but we'll revise the 4 friends, the 4 alphabets which came to class. So let's go and see and meet these 4 letters which have already come to class. I'm sure you are very smart, you know everything, but with the teacher you can just revise. So let's go and revise. So children, are you ready to revise your letter friends? Let's see which was the first letter which had come to our class. Yes, it was letter A. It was letter A. A says X. A says X. This is mama letter A, and this is baby letter A. Now, how do you write mama letter A? Come on, let's see. So we go up, we make a slanting line down. We go back up again, and then we make the other slanting line. And then we make a sleeping line. That is mama letter A for us. And with mama letter A, who has come? Baby letter A. And their friend who is there with them is A says X. Now after letter A, children, which letter came to class? Yes, letter B came to class. And this is mama letter B, and this is baby letter B. They both have come together with their friend. B says ball, the bouncy ball. They've got the bouncy ball with them. Now let's see how should we write letter B. So we'll start from up. We make a standing line down. We lift our hand. We go up again. We make one bumpity bump. We make the second bumpity bump. This is mama letter B and baby letter B. And B says ball. Now after letter B, children, which letter came to class? Yes, you are right. It was letter C. Letter C. C says cat. C says cat. So they have got their friend the cat. And this is mama letter C. And this is baby letter C. They both look the same, don't they? Like the other letters, mama and baby are not looking different. Look at them. Only baby is small and mama is big. So let's see how to write letter C. And for all the letters, we always start from up. We make a curve, come down and go in and leave it. So this is letter C. C says cat. C says cat. And which was the last letter which came to class? Come on, tell me. Yes, it was a letter D. It was letter D. And D says d. Here they have got their friend the drum with them. Because D says d, drum. And when you beat on the drum, what sound comes? D. Okay. Now let's see how to write letter D. So we make a standing line. We lift our hand, we go back up again, and we make one bumpity bump from the start of the standing line to the end of the standing line. This is mama letter D, and this is baby letter D. And they've got their friend d, drum. So D says d, drum. D says d, drum. Let's quickly revise all our friends now. Yes, children, should we revise all our friends? A says X. B says ball. C says cat. And D says drum. So now let's go and see the songs of all the letters from A to D, after which we will revise how to write them on a slate and chalk, and also we will see some more friends of these four letters. So let's go, children.
your bat and bring your ball. B, b. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum.
A. Capital A. Start from the top and draw a slanting line downwards. Go to the top and draw another slanting line down to the opposite side. Now, go little below the middle and draw a sleeping line across. Capital B. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go back to the top and draw a curve to the middle, then draw a curve joining the bottom. C. Capital C. Start from the top and draw a curve touching the bottom. D. Capital D. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go again to the top and draw a curve till the bottom.
A says apple. A says alligator. A says an angel. A says an airplane. A says ant. A says arrow. And last, A says anchor. So children, these were some of the friends of letter A. And A says A. B. B says ball. B says butterfly. B says bear. B says balloon. B says bird. A blue bird. B says bat. And last, B says banana. So children, these were letter B friends, and B says ba. Letter C. Let's see the friends of letter C. So what does letter C say? C says car. Wow. C says candle. We need a candle when it's dark, or on your birthdays also you light a candle. C says carrot. Carrot is very good for health. C says cat. Meow. C says a coat. When you feel very cold, you need a coat. C says a yummy cake. We all like to cut a cake on a birthday. C says candy. So these are the friends of letter C, and C says letter D. Let's meet the friends of letter D. D says D. 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 Let's see what are the friends of letter D. D says D. 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 Dog. D says D. 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 Duck. Quack quack. D says D. 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 Drum. D says D. 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 Door. You knock at the door. D says D. 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 Dinosaur. D says D. D. Donut. Yummy donut. And last, D says D. 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 Dolphin. So these are some of the friends of letter D, and D says D. Wow, that was a real good recap of all the 4 friends, and I'm sure you remember them all, don't you? Okay, so now what do? Let's do a little worksheet, and it's a very quick and easy worksheet, easy peasy lemon squeezy, and I'm sure you're going to do it in a jiffy. What does jiffy mean? It means quickly, but quickly doesn't mean anyhow. Okay, so we are not going to do it just like that, just trace and give it to it. Mama said, yeah, take it. Papa, take it. No, not like that. We do it very nicely, very neatly, as teacher showing it to you, so that all my babies are going to get a star. So let's go and trace this worksheet. Hello children. Are you ready to do the writing activity? Come on. So now you have already got your worksheet. Your mama and papa might have just given you printed worksheet like this. Okay. Ask them to write your name and today's date on it. And then take your crayon box. Now whatever color crayon you want, pick out that color from your crayon. I'm going to take my purple color crayon. Now can you see which letters are there? Letter A. A says apple. Next to letter A is letter B. B says book. Now here down, which is this letter? C says cup. We all have our milk or tea in a cup. Yes, and the last letter which had come, which was letter D. D says D and dog. So these are the 4 letters which we are going to trace today. And it says trace the letters. Now children, since there are 4 letters, if you wish, you can use 4 colors. Okay, so it is on you. But whatever you do, please do it beautifully. So take your crayon. Here I'm taking purple color. It's on you. Whichever is your favorite color you can take, but use a darker color crayon to trace the letters. And do you remember the formations? We just revised it right now. We revised all the letters and their songs also, and how to write them. So do you know how to write letter A? Do we write from here? Do we go from down to up? Or do we go from this side down to up? No, we go from up to down, and first we do this slanting line and then this way the slanting line, that is from left to right and then right to left. So let's start with the letter A formation. From up we make a slanting line down, go back up again, make the other slanting line down, then between the two slanting line there is a short sleeping line which we will join. That's our letter A. A says apple. A says apple. Now let's go to the next friend. That is letter B. B says B. Now how do we start? All letters always start from up. So from up we do a standing line down. We lift our hand. We go up to the same point where we had started the standing line and we make our first right hand curve. That is one bumpity bump. Go back out, make the second bumpity bump and join to the bottom part of the standing line. That's letter B. B says B, 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 book. B says B, 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 book. Now let's come down here, and this letter is C. C says K. C says K, 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 cup. Okay. Now here also again we have to start from up, and this time it's the left hand curve. We make a nice big curve and come in. That is our letter C. C says K, 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 cup. C says K, 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 cup. Now the last one. So easy this worksheet is. Only 4 letters to trace. So let's quickly trace our last letter, which is our letter D. And that also we have to begin from top. Can we begin from down? No. All alphabets and all letters always start from up and go down. So first we'll do a standing line like this. Then we lift our hand, we go up, back again, and we make one nice big curve from the top of the line to the bottom. And that's letter D. Wow, you all will do a good job, I'm sure, on this. And when we do a good job, what will Mama and Papa give you? Yes, again you'll get your shiny star here. Isn't it nice? Wow. So children, enjoy tracing this alphabets worksheet of letter A, B, C and D. Okay? Bye. So children, after that very short, cute little worksheet of just 4 letter tracing, are you ready to do an activity with me? For this activity, you'll require your parents' help because they'll have to give you the things for it. So call your mama or your papa quickly. Tell them, come, mama. We have to do one very nice, interesting activity. And teacher's going to tell you what all we need. Now this activity is also tracing, but tracing in a different way. So are you excited to do this activity? Come on, let's go and see all that we need and how we are going to do this nice activity. Okay children, so are you ready? And your mama and papa is there next to you. Now parents, we will need a tray. In the tray you can take rava, you can take salt or anything which is in a powder form, not very fine powder but a little granulated powder like what I have. For your reference to see better, I have just colored the rava which is there in orange color, orange saffron color. Why? Because then we are going to use it as a tracing tray. Now to make this tracing tray is very easy. You need a tray, you need any powdered thing, and just sprinkle that in your tray so that a thin surface is formed of that material. Now what else will you need? You will need to make these cards of the letters. Okay, now can you see over here what I have done to the cards? I have actually done the numbering, the way it is written in that. I have just done little arrows just for reference so that the children know how to go about tracing them, just for their reference, not for anything else. If your child is knowing it will just act as a little help. So we will number these cards. Okay, so we'll number the formations. Then at random, you have to give one card to your child. Now suppose we are starting with letter. Which is this letter? Come on, children. I know you all are smart babies. Yes, it's letter C, and C says K. So now you have to remove Mr. Pointer. Now today Mr. Pointer is your crayon or your chalk, and you are going to write with Mr. Pointer. So now how do you write letter C? You write from down and you go up? No, we go from up and we go down. Can you see how teacher has made the C in the rubber? In the same way, your parents will give you each card. Okay, now which is this letter? Now parents, after each tracing, you'll have to just shake your tray so that it becomes level back again. Again, Mr. Pointer pencil out, and we are going to trace A from down to up, or from this side. How? Go up and we make a slant line down. Lift our finger, go back up again and make another slant. Then very easy, sweeping line. Yes, and our letter A is done. Now let's trace another one. Again, give a little shake. Now children, you don't do it, otherwise you might spill it. So your mama or your papa, whoever is there sitting next to you, will give a shake, will give you a card. Read the letter. This is letter D, and D says D. D says D. Again, Mr. Pointer finger pencil out. A standing line down. Go back up again and make a curve. That's letter D. Now, which was the last thing left? It's letter B. So it's time again to shake the tray. Give it a shake. Ready? Which letter is this? Come on. Letter B. And B says B. So as you're tracing, say standing line. Lift your hand. Bumpity bump. Bumpity bump. Letter B. Hooray. So isn't it fun to trace with your little trays? This is your tracing trays, and you can use rubber, or you can use salt, or you can use even rice. If you have those little broken rice at home, parents, you can give them that also. But you do not need to color the rubber. This is just to show you all, so it's visible. I have colored my rubber into orange or saffron color so that it is visible for you. In case you have a darker color tray, you can take that also, because then when they are tracing with the fingers, at least they can see the pattern form. This is a very good way of tracing, reinforcing the letters, and also little kinesthetically, when the child traces with the fingers, the pattern is registered well. It's a good exercise for your fingers. You remember your formations well, and it's so much fun, isn't it? So children, enjoy doing this with your parents' help, but it's not necessary you do everything today only. Teacher is just showing it to you. So whenever mama and papa has the time, they can sit with you and they can do this. You will do this tracing in the tray, but do not force them. I want to do it. And after you have finished everything, you have to help them to clean up also. You remember the clean up song which we had learned? Yes, so we will help them to clean up also, because you all are my good babies. You all can just take the cards and give it to mama and papa, and the tray you can give it back. And then if anything is spilled down, you can help them to clean it if you can, or you will not mess around with it. Okay children, because it is food, so we cannot waste food. You have to be very careful when you're using food items to do your activity. Never waste food. Okay children, so I hope you enjoy tracing in your little tracing trays.